If you're experiencing connection errors while playing PUBG, particularly error 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve any temporary issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam, go to your library, right-click on PUBG, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it and try connecting to the game again. Sometimes these services can interfere with the game's connection to the server. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can fix any persistent issues that might be causing the connection error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error and get back to playing PUBG. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.